So again, we generally had a lot more pounds, and a lot of times it produces good results in test matches as well. And then there is a third type of pitch, which is a mix of red and black, which this ground has as well. But today they've opted to play on a black soil pitch, which generally tends to keep low. But what I've seen is when the lights are on, it skips out a lot better. Whether it keeps it low is the question, and that we're going to see in the evening.
I didn't see it when I went out and looked at it. I thought this looks really good. This looks low, it looks slow. I reckon it's the lowest pitch in the tournament so far. It was a cutter. You see how that dies in the...
तो मैच फिर से देख सकते हैं.
मिल गए.
To bring you a world-class journey, we dream higher. Qatar Airways, going places together.
पाकिस्तान जितने खाने बनाता है, नया ब्रेक उतने ही दाग मिटाता है.
क्योंकि नए ब्रेक का बेस्ट एवर फॉर्मूला गहराई से दाग निकालता है.